Welcome to the world of mathematics. And now for the multiplication of decimals. So, tatanggalin na natin yung sa salitang alignment. Ang meron na po dito, we need to count the number of decimal places. Okay? So, we are going to treat this one as multiplying or the same as multiplying our whole numbers. So, ganun na po yung mangyayari sa kanya. So, for example, let's say we have here 0.9 times 0.8. So, write this one, and then 0.8. Multiply 8 times 9 is 72. So, 2, 7. 8 times 0 is 0 plus 7, 7. And then 0 naman, 0 to 9 is 0, 0 to 0 is 0. So, ganyan po. So, 2, 7, 0. Now, eto na po yan. Bibilangin natin ilang decimal places po yung meron tayo mula sa multiplication natin. So, sa 0.9, isa. Sa 0.8, isa. So, ilan ang total? 2. So, doon sa answer natin, mula doon sa pinakakanan, bibilangin natin siya pakaliwa. So, that is 1, 2. So, nandoon po yung sagot, 0.72. Isulat nyo naman po ng separate para makita natin siya ng mas maayos yung final answer po natin. And then, box your final answer. Okay? Another one. I have here 5.4 times 0.2. O, paano po gagawin natin dyan? So, multiply again. 5.4 times 0.2. And then, multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. So, what will happen? We're going to have our answer to be what? The answer will be, bring down, so 8, 0, and then 1. Ilan po lahat ng decimal places? 1, and then 2. So, bilang 1, 2. So, what will be our final answer? It is 1.08. Okay po? At least yan. Klaro tayo dyan. Diba? Sige po. And another example, if I have here 3.72 times 0.6. Paano po yan? 3.72 times 0.6. Dito, diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, dito sa hindi natin kailangan isipin yung alignment ng decimal point. Kailangan nating isipin paano po ba tayo ulit nag-multiply ng whole numbers. Okay? So, multiply 6 times 2, 12, carry 1. 6 times 7, 42, plus 1 is 43. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 4, 22. Then, 0, 0, 0. Kasi 0 times 2, 0 times 7, 0 times 3. Okay. And then, add na natin. It's 2, 3, 2, 2. Ang tanong, ilan po ang decimal natin? So, dito ay may 1, 2, and then dito, isa. So, total of 3 decimal places. So, from the right, mula sa kanan, pakaliwa. 1, 2, 3. And there is our decimal point. Final answer, 2.232. Okay? So that's how you are going to multiply decimals. Very good. Ayan. So for the division of decimals, So we have here, for example, is 1.25 divided by 0.5. So we are going to write this one with our division symbol. So 1.25 will be the one inside since it's the dividend, and the divisor will be the ones outside. Now, the rule is, if your divisor has a decimal, you need to make it a whole number. So since this is only one decimal point, so you just need to move this one to the right. There you go. Pero, pag nag-move ka sa divisor ng decimal ng 1 to the right, kailangan maging fair enough tayo. You need to move one decimal to the right also inside or to your dividend. So since this is your decimal, so move it to the right. And then that is 12.5. Diba po? Yan. So para mas nakikita at mas naaayos natin, it's 0.5 and then 12.5. Now, isa-isay na natin. How many 5 are there in 12? Ilang 5 po meron sa 12? Dalawa. Very good. So the answer is 2. Then multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. And then subtract. So that will give us 2. And since the decimal is already there, ilagay na natin siya dun sa taas. Sa baba, bring down 5 naman na po tayo. How many 5s are there in 25? 5. Very good. So your quotient is 5 there. And then multiply. 5 times 5 is 25 until you reach this one as 0. Okay? So your final answer is 2.5. Another one. If I have here 16 divided by 0.4. So 16 inside the division symbol, then 0.4. Paano yan, sir? Ang may decimal lang po ay yung ating divisor. Yun naman po talaga yung rule natin. Kapag ang divisor ay may decimal, you need to make it a whole number. And for you to make it a whole number, you need to move the decimal point to the right to make it a whole number. And since you only need to move this one, or this decimal, 1 to the right only, then move. Ayan. Paano yun, sir? Wala naman pong decimal si 16. Saan po natin, paano natin siya i-move? Meron po, a whole number will always have its decimal point to the right. Okay? So, meron yan lagi dito. So, move 1 to the right. So, ibig sabihin, pag nagkaroon po ng ganyang space, then, you need to write 0. Okay? So, that is 4. And then, 160 for the inside. So, how many 4s are there in 16? There are 4. Very good. Then multiply. So 16. Subtract. It's 0. Okay? Eh sir, meron pang isang 0. E di ilagay din dito yung 0. At mawawala na rin naman po yung 0 natin dyan. Okay? So final answer is 40. Very good. Ayan. Oo. One last para siguradong kaya natin to. Diba? 1.26 divided by 9. So, 1.26 and then 9. O sir, may decimal. Yung dividend. O sir, paano pong gagawin natin doon? So, ang gagawin lang po natin, yung divisor, kung walang decimal point, wala po tayong i-move. Tama po ba? So, just proceed with the division. Since this is already the decimal point, ilang 9 meron kay 12? Isa lang po. Then, multiply. And then, subtract. So, 3. Then, bring down 6. How many 9s are there in 36? 4. Very good. Then, multiply the quotient. it's 36. Then subtract. Then you'll have. So final answer is 0.14. Ayan, very good. So we'll have more later. So I hope you enjoyed watching and more videos to come.